Welcome students. So today we are going to discuss about Python calculator program. This Python program will allow users to perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now let us discuss about some fundamentals in programming. So what is a variable? So a variable is essentially a name given to a memory location that stores a value. So you can think of it as a container for data. The value stored in a variable can be changed or updated during the execution of a program. So second one is the data types. So data types define the kind of value a variable can hold and the operations that can be performed on that value. And third one is the operators. So here we use the basic arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and how to use them in Python. Defining functions. So for the function declaration, we use the def keyword to define a function and give it a descriptive name. For return values, functions can return output values to be used elsewhere in the program. Third one is the parameters. So functions can accept input values known as parameters to perform specific tasks. Handling user input. So we use the input function to capture user input and store it in variables. So as we already told what is variables. For data conversion, we use appropriate data type such as int, float for further calculations. And for error handling, to ensure the program can handle invalid user input gracefully. Then here we are basically implementing four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we use the plus operator to add two numbers together and we use the minus operator to subtract one number from another number. And we use the star operator to multiply two numbers together. And we use the division operator to divide one number by another. So this is the program code or the Python code that creates a basic calculator that performs arithmetic operations on two numbers provided by the user. So first one, get user input. So let me explain the code one by one or line by line. So the program prompts the user to enter the first number and converts the input to a floating point number to allow decimal values. It then asks the user to enter the desired operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication or division as a string. Finally, the program prompts for the second number, again converting it to a floating point number. Now we have to perform calculation. So the program uses an if, elif, else structure to determine the operation to be performed based on the user's input. So if the operation is one of the valid operators like plus, minus, star or division, the corresponding arithmetic operation is performed and the result is stored in the result variable. So for division, the code checks if the second number, number 2, is not equal to 0. If it is 0, a division by 0 error message is stored in the result variable. If the user enters an invalid operation, the program sets the result to invalid operation. Third one is display result. So the program uses an F string to display the calculated result with the message result. So now let us see the how to display the output, or let us see the output. So this is the output. So first we enter the first number, that is 50, and the operation we selected here is addition. So we enter the second number and it is 50, and again we got the result as 100. And next one, again we use the first number, then we select the operation is subtraction, then we enter the second number, we got the result 50. Then again we enter the first number 10. Here we choose the operation star, that means multiplication. Then we enter the second number and we got the result 100. Then next operation is division. So here we enter the first number, then we choose the operation, then the second number, and we finally got the result. So this is the output for the calculated program. So handling errors and exceptions. So we try except, error messages, edge cases, three cases. First one is try except. So we use the try except block to catch and handle exceptions that may occur during program execution. Then second one is error messages. So that provide meaningful error messages to help the users understand what went wrong and how to fix it. Third one is edge cases. So that anticipate and handle edge cases which are division by zero to ensure the program remains stable. So in this video, we have walked through the entire process of creating a Python program from the initial spark of an idea to the final execution code explanation. So now that you have mastered the fundamentals, consider exploring advanced topics, building more complex applications, or contributing to open source projects to further enhance your Python